It's not uncommon to have more than one Google account. Having multiple Google accounts can help keep information, contacts, and emails separate, for example, work and personal use. Signing in and out of different accounts can be confusing and cause files to be stored in the wrong place or emails to be sent from the wrong account. However, in Google Chrome, you can create browser profiles and switch between accounts with ease. To do this, go to the Settings menu by clicking the three-dot menu at the top of the screen, and then go to Settings. In the People section, click Manage Other People. At the bottom of the screen, click Add Person. Enter a nickname for the account, such as personal, school, or work. Choose an image, and click Add at the bottom of the screen. A new Google Chrome browser will open and prompt you to sign in and sync your account. Sign in with your additional Google account for your new profile. Once you're signed in, you will be able to switch between accounts with ease. By going to the nickname for your account at the top right of your browser, you can click here and choose the account you want to switch to. When you switch, the browser you had open will remain open, and a new browser will open for the other account. You can switch back and forth as you wish and add several accounts. Within these separate browsers, you will automatically be signed in to that Google account for your Drive, your email, your calendar, and any other Google applications you are using. If you decide to remove a profile from your Chrome browser, your profile bookmarks, history, passwords, and other settings will be removed from your computer. To do this, go to the Settings menu by clicking the three-dot menu at the top of your screen, and then going to Settings. In the People section, click Manage Other People. Hover over the account you want to remove and click the three-dot menu. Choose Remove this person. Click Remove this person again to confirm. You can then click on the account you wish to return to. The ability to create Google browser profiles makes switching between your multiple Google accounts easy and simple.